Hello, October 17th, 2018, and just like I did with my GS Mini that I bought a couple of years ago, I wasn't happy with the cheap pick guards that they were using, so I just picked up this big baby a week or two ago, and I ordered a cherry real wood pick guard off of the internet, custom made, and I'm going to be putting that on there probably on another video. But somebody had asked me how did I get these pick guards off, and I just wanted to go ahead and show that on a real quick video if I could. It's a very, very thin laminate anyway, really cheap. But the way that I did it is not, first off, I picked just the teeniest corner. But then I grabbed a real thin, I don't even know if you could see it, it's so thin, super thin piece of monofilament fishing line that I like to use fishing. Very thin, and come up under that, and almost like a saw blade, you just very slowly, with a back and forth motion, if I can do this without cutting my fingers on this line, real thin motion, you can see the glue starting to come off on the line itself. This other glue would just rub right off with your fingers. So I'm not gonna do 4 or 5 minutes of me rubbing this glue off, but just take my word for it. It is a rubber cement. I guess they could still call it a glue, but it's really like a rubber cement. So if you just kind of rub it like this, it will slowly but surely, that excess will come off. So anyway, like I said, I bought a new pick guard, and I wanted to go ahead and I'm going to be putting that on anyway. Cherry, real wood. So just a couple of dollars. So anyway, y'all have a good day. Later.